Modern-day people appreciate anything that saves them time and effort. This category includes microwave ovens. These ovens can cook food faster by using microwave technology. This appliance is perfect for tasks that can take up too much time in the kitchen, like heating water or melting butter. There are many types of microwave ovens. We will be looking at convection, grill, and solo microwave ovens in this video. Before we discuss solo vs. grill and convection microwave ovens, it is important to mention that each model is an upgrade. Each model has more features than the previous one, making them more versatile and expensive. You should do your research about all the available options and their pros and cons before you decide to buy a microwave oven. This will help you opt the right model. Solo vs. grill microwave oven. Microwave oven is a very useful kitchen appliance for cooking healthier foods utilizing dry, intense heat that is produced through microwave radiation. This radiation excites molecules inside food items and heats them uniformly from all sides as against grilling, which provides direct heat from below. There are different types of microwave ovens in the market, out of which solo refer to the most basic ones, while grill microwave ovens are ones that provide the facility of grilling food items. This video tries to point out the difference between solo and grill microwave ovens. Solo microwave ovens perform basic functions of providing dry heat to cook food quickly and efficiently, but are incapable of making the food item crisp and brown. They are mostly used for general cooking and reheating the food efficiently. Grill microwave oven has a wired mesh called grill placed inside the cavity of the oven that provides extra heat needed for making food items brown and crispy. So, solo microwave oven can heat and produce frosting effect. But if you want brown, crispy dishes made at home, you need a microwave oven that has an additional grill. So when you are done with cooking, you can place the grill unit on top of microwave that browns food items in a faster and more efficient manner. Microwaves come under the must-have kitchen appliances. This is all you need to know if you wish to compare the effectiveness and features of a convection microwave oven and solo grill. This information will make it easier to decide which product you want to buy. Understanding the different uses and functions of a microwave oven will help you to determine how easy it's to use or how perfectly it will meet your expectations. These recommendations have received much of positive feedback about their performance and features. These options are also available. Are you searching for low-fat solutions? Try reading Glen Air Fryer 3044 and Prestige Air Fryer Review to know how magically these air fryers can eliminate your calories count without compromising on your fried food choices. However, selecting best air fryer in India can be challenging, so select only those models which are tested by experts. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.